Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to save videos using HandBrake after you've set your encoding settings. This is the final step where everything gets exported into a usable file, so let's make sure it's done right. First, open HandBrake and load your video by clicking Open Source. Choose the file you want to save or export. Next, pick a preset from the right side or adjust your settings manually. Fast 1080p is a solid default if you just want a good balance between quality and file size. Now make sure your output format is set correctly. MP4 is usually the best option because it works on almost every device and platform. Click Browse next to the save path, then choose a folder where you want your final video to be saved. You can use desktop or a dedicated videos folder. Give your file a clear name before saving. This helps you avoid overwriting other videos and makes it easier to find later. Once everything is ready, click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin processing and saving your video based on your settings. Now just wait for the process to finish. You can monitor the progress at the bottom of the screen, and when it reaches 100%, your video is saved. And that's it, you've successfully saved a video using HandBrake. Once you get used to the workflow, exporting becomes really quick and simple.